Okay, we have our copper Tinman here. He's about 38 inches tall. The head is carved out of wood. The hands are carved out of wood. The eyes are wood dowels that are painted. It has a ring mechanism on the inside, so you can use either hand, your finger or your thumb for it. Works good. We've added a smoke effect to him. Like I said, the hands are made out of wood. He's more of an angry Tinman, so he's got a frown and a blue heart. Mouth works good. Like I say, either hand, your finger or your elbow. The back has a piece of material back here. This hides your the back of the head, to where if you have to get inside, you just pop the staples out and unscrew each side of the back, and you can get inside if you ever have to make any kind of repairs. Like I said, the clothes are all handmade. He's a copper colored one. So if you're interested, you can contact me on my Facebook page. So thanks for watching.